Morning everybody. Gonna have a quick video here today just highlighting why I think the Lightning is probably one of the best family suburban haulers you can get right now, if you can get your hands on one. That is the key word there. I'm gonna go over about 4 to 5 things that I just really think make it a perfect setup for somebody, especially like our situation, my family, where we have 6 of us, 2 adults, 4 kids. We do a lot of activities, a lot of hauling around town, a lot of shuttling. And it just really is becoming a perfect vehicle over even the minivan that we have, that we daily. Went through a lot of vehicles prior to the Lightning, and the most recent, as you all know, 2 F150s from this year, 1 hybrid, 1 conventional 5.0. Loved the sound of that truck, not gonna lie. They were all great trucks, but we were quickly came to the decision that a truck is just very capable, has a lot of use for what we do day to day. And now that we have the electric one, I mean, it's I hate to overuse the word game changer because people do use that word all the time, but it is, at least for our family, just really makes day-to-day tasks easy to compete. So anyway, hope you enjoy, guys. Gonna go over just a couple of features of why I think, like I said, the Lightning is going to be a perfect family setup for day-to-day suburban hauling, especially if you could charge at home. The next thing is interior space. Look at all this space here, especially for family. 1 car seat in. I normally have another one as well. Flat cargo loading, just like actually the ICE 150s I owned. Really nice feature. Fold up the seat so it does a 60-40 split. Got the main part over there, folds up, got underneath storage. I mean, storage for days, guys. Put stuff underneath, got my sunshade there. They can't even kick me. I got my seat all the way back. I'm 6 foot tall. When I'm driving, can't even reach. Tons of space. You get spoiled. Even in the SUV, I feel like I have more space than when we had our Yukon and other cars like that. Minivan obviously has a lot, but daily driving, look at all that interior space here. I'll get a shot of the front. Here's a glance at the front seat. Ton of space here for the passenger. Obviously, there I am as the driver, but just a huge cab. And you can really tell why the F150 series is one of the best-selling trucks or vehicles in America. And I get why you see them all down the road. Not only that, but the ones from GM, Ram, all the other companies. Just a ton of interior space that really spoils you daily. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys this real quick. One of my favorite features, but I don't use much. Stow the shifter there. And we've got the interior work surface. Really nice, real handy. I'll bring the iPad computer. I'll plug it in here to the nice power outlet. And then while I'm sitting in the carpool line or whatever, can get out a quick work email or whatever I need to. Very handy features that Ford has thought of. Got the whole crew here, back on the interior space. Boys, what do you think of the truck? Lots of space? Yeah, exactly. Ton of space. Can't fit in a Model 3 like this, can ya? They got a lot of space to do whatever they want to do. Look at this bed. Look at all the space you have here. 5.5 foot bed, utility step, pole to get in. Over here, you have your Pro Power. Got your 240. Let me see if I can hold it up. 240 outlet. All these 120s here. Ton of capability in addition to the ones in the Mega Frunk. Spray and bed liner. I have this mat that I bought for Ford with some of my Ford Pass points, and you can see the tie down access. This is my undercover Armor Flex tonneau cover. It's a tri-fold. I can put it up one more position. You can see the support rods on the side. It has it where it doesn't rest on the bed. But just to show you the capability, how handy it is to have on this bed, or have this bed size for any kind of stuff you may need around town. Ford has an awesome tailgate. It's got measurements here. You got clamps if you need to clamp any kind of wood. Got water holder, cell phone holder, iPad holder, bottle opener. Very handy on a nice hot summer day. Beverage of your choice. They have really thought this bed through. The only thing I wish it had was the side step, sort of like the GM trucks. It's very handy to get in when you don't want to put the tailgate down. But again, look at all this space, especially for a daily truck. daily vehicle, get a lot of capability in a bed like this. Finally, charging at home. We already covered the Emporia. It just totally changes the driving dynamics around town. No more gas stations. I mean, I don't miss it. The wait, I mean, not that it's that inconvenient, but you're not wasting time having to plan it out and go there. Coming into the garage every night and charging up, it's different. You start off with a full tank of gas or charge every day, right? So it just totally changes what we've been conditioned to driving internal combustion cars. So that is probably one of the biggest things that makes having an electric car, or in this case, the Lightning, a great family vehicle around town, is the fact that I'm charging up every night in the convenience of my own home. I realize a lot of you out there that are on the fence about electric vehicles, you don't have the capability of charging at home or going, having a place at your apartment. And I get that is a barrier. If I didn't have the convenience of charging right here in the garage, I probably wouldn't be owning an electric vehicle right now. At least the Mega Frunk. You guys have seen this in all the videos, but what other truck does this? I mean, it basically makes it have as much space or maybe more than an SUV. Okay, here we got the divided section. There's my portable charger, but you can put your ice down there. Perfect tailgate setup. Put this in there to slot power outlets for days, USB outlets. Got hooks. You can stow whatever you need. 12-volt batteries back there. This flips upside down, so you can have it either way. Have a real nice liner here, real tough. But you can put all kinds of stuff, whatever you want, groceries, luggage. Has a picture up here. Let me see where the Easter egg is, but it shows, yeah, there it is. 2 sets of golf clubs, really cool thing there. I have not tried that, but I know they could fit. It's just massive. What other vehicle that you daily around has this kind of frunk? Even the Tesla doesn't have this kind of frunk. So it's definitely nice capability. Show the closing action there. Love this front end, guys. Super futuristic.